Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it, and I'll show you both methods. First, and the recommended method, is reset using the settings. Let me only adjust the brightness a little. Alright, to do it, open up your settings, then scroll down until you find General Management. Now scroll down, find Reset. In here also your tab suggests to you, do you want to create a backup? It is really useful. I also highly recommend creating it. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing everything step by step, so if you want, you can look for that video. Okay, of course we are interested in the last function, factory data reset, but in here we can also reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and reset accessibility settings. But let's click the last option. Right in here. Now scroll down. In here we have a list of things that will be deleted. Remember that factory resetting your device will cause this, that all of your data will be permanently erased. So that is why it's always good to have a backup. Now scroll down all the way and now simply tap the reset button. After that your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on. The next thing that you need to do is to go simply through the setup process. That's the first method, and now let me show you the second one, which is through the recovery mode. But you need to be aware that if you want to reset your device using the recovery mode, basically this method is recommended when our screen is unresponsive, when our device is lagged, basically when we cannot perform the first method. But we need to remember that after the reset using the recovery mode, our device will want us to simply confirm that we are actually a user of this device. What I mean, during the setup process, the tab will tell you to type your lock screen if you had one before the reset, or it will want you to log in into the Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually a user. So to perform that method, to perform the reset, we need to power off our device first. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for like 1.5 seconds to launch the power menu. So let's do it, just like that, and now click on power off. Okay, also we need to connect our tab into PC or laptop using a USB-C cable to get access into recovery mode. So simply connect your device. And now we need to use two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button until we get into the recovery mode. So that's what I'm about to do. Hold both buttons. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. And now, in our case, we need to select wipe data / factory reset. You can also see that information that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address or password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So that's the thing that I was talking about before. And now to confirm, click the power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. Wiping data process has started. Now it's completed. Select reboot system now, confirm by clicking power button, and now we just need to simply wait until our device turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Now we can unplug also our cable. We won't be needing it anymore. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.